Prepare yourselves, aviation aficionados, as we're about to embark on a thrilling expedition into the annals of time, delving deep into the transformative saga of the airline industry. As we ascend into the mists of history, let's hover precariously over the tumultuous era of the early 20th century, a time when the audacious dream of human flight was just a fragile idea starting to spread its wings. The year was 1903, when two intrepid brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, dared to defy the laws of gravity with their groundbreaking invention, a heavier-than aircraft, the world's maiden successful airplane. On a frosty December day in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the Wright brothers' flyer took a daring leap into the air for a mere 12 seconds, covering a staggering distance of 120 feet. Those fleeting 12 seconds sparked an age of relentless innovation, irreversibly altering the course of human travel. Jump ahead a few years to the year 1914, when the first commercial flight braved the skies. Aboard the Benoist XIV, a courageous individual by the of Abram File shelled out a staggering $175 for the exhilarating opportunity of a 23-minute voyage from St. Petersburg to Tampa, Florida. This monumental moment was the dawn of passenger services, and the realm of travel was irrevocably changed. The early days of aviation were fraught with risks, yet they ushered in a realm of unimaginable rewards. The daring visionaries of flight dared to dream, dared to innovate, and dared to soar above the barriers of the known world. They set the stage for an industry that would persistently shatter the confines of possibility, paving the path to a world where we wouldn't just reach for the stars, but traverse among them. This was merely the opening chapter of a thrilling saga that would forever revolutionize the world. As we ascend into the Golden Age of Aviation, let's explore the glamour and luxury that defined this era. A time when air travel was the epitome of sophistication and elegance, the Golden Age of Aviation was a period of rapid progress and unprecedented glamour. The emergence of iconic aircraft such as the sleek and luxurious Douglas DC-3 and the majestic Boeing Stratocruiser transformed air travel from a simple means of transportation into a thrilling adventure. These flying fortresses, equipped with sleeping berths, dining salons, and even piano bars, brought a touch of Hollywood glamour to the skies. International flights, once a dream, became a reality. Pan American World Airways, better known as Pan Am, led the charge with their iconic Clipper services, connecting continents and cultures like never before. These flying boats, as they were often called, were the epitome of luxury and adventure, offering passengers an unforgettable experience of dining above the clouds while gazing at the world below. But it wasn't just the aircraft and the destinations that made this era golden. Airlines started to realize the power of branding and marketing, crafting unique identities that captured the imagination of the public. Their marketing strategies were as daring as their destinations. Who can forget TWA's promise of up, up, and away, or Pan Am's claim to be the world's most experienced airline? Airlines understood the value of a strong brand image and used it to their advantage. They didn't just sell tickets, they sold dreams. They painted a picture of a world that was now within reach, thanks to the magic of flight. From the elegant stewardess uniforms to the meticulously planned in-flight meals, every detail was designed to enhance the passenger's experience and reinforce the airline's brand image. The Golden Age of Aviation was a time of innovation, progress, and above all, glamour. It was a time when air travel was seen not as a chore, but as a cherished experience, a time when the journey was just as important as the destination. The Golden Age set the stage for the boom in aviation that was about to come. Now we break the sound barrier and enter the Jet Age, a period of dramatic technological advancements. As we traverse through the annals of aviation history, we arrive at an era that brought a significant shift in the industry, the advent of the Jet Age. The introduction of jet propulsion was nothing short of revolutionary. It not only made air travel faster, but also expanded the horizons of international travel. Aircraft, once limited by propeller technology and piston engines, could now fly higher, faster, and farther. This revolution was ushered in by the commercial introduction of aircraft like the de Havilland Comet and the Boeing 707, which could travel at speeds close to the speed of sound. But speed wasn't the only advancement in this era. Significant strides were also made in navigation and safety. Ground-based radio navigation aids, radar systems, and instrument landing systems were developed, enhancing the accuracy of navigation and the safety of flights. These systems allowed pilots to navigate and land their aircraft in adverse weather conditions, a feat unheard of in the early days of aviation. The design of aircraft also saw radical improvements. Swept wings became the standard for high-speed jet aircraft, reducing drag and increasing speed and fuel efficiency. Pressurized cabins made high-altitude flights comfortable for passengers, while advancements in materials and engineering led to stronger and lighter aircraft. Behind the scenes, air traffic control and maintenance operations were also revolutionized. Air traffic control systems evolved to manage the increasing number of high-speed aircraft in the sky, ensuring safe distances were maintained between planes. Maintenance operations became more complex, requiring highly skilled technicians and advanced tools to keep the new generation of jet aircraft in top-notch condition. These revolutionary technologies transformed air travel, making it faster and safer than ever before. This era was not just about breaking the sound barrier. It was about breaking barriers in technology, safety, and operational efficiency, forever changing the landscape of the aviation industry. Now we navigate through turbulent times as the airline industry grapples with global events and economic shifts. From the ashes of world wars, the airline industry emerged, not diminished, but strengthened. The devastation of war necessitated the development of long-range aircraft for military purposes, and it was from these advancements that the commercial jet age was born. Post-war economic booms saw the rise of the middle class, who, for the first time, had discretionary income to spend on air travel. This democratization of flight fueled the industry's growth, but it was not without its challenges. Oil crises, economic recessions, and shifting geopolitical landscapes put the industry to the test. Yet every crisis brought new opportunities for adaptation and innovation. The industry responded with resilience, introducing more fuel-efficient aircraft and optimizing operations to weather these storms. The late 20th century saw another significant shift. The traditional model of full-service airlines started to face stiff competition from a new breed of carriers. The rise of low-cost airlines changed the game entirely. These carriers stripped air travel down to its basics, offering no-frills service at rock-bottom prices. This transformation made air travel even more accessible, further expanding the market. But the industry didn't stop there. It continued to innovate, not just in terms of cost, but also in service offerings. The advent of the digital age brought about online ticketing, check-in kiosks, and in-flight connectivity, enhancing passenger convenience and experience. The airline industry also showed remarkable adaptability in dealing with global crises. From the September 11th attacks to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, each crisis led to fundamental changes in security protocols, health measures, and operational strategies. Yes, the journey of the airline industry has been marked by trials, but each trial has been met with triumphant adaptation. Each challenge has spurred innovation, from the development of jet engines to the rise of low-cost carriers, from mastering the art of branding to leveraging technology for superior customer experience. Despite the turbulence, the airline industry proved its resilience, constantly adapting and innovating. The story of aviation is a testament to human ingenuity and tenacity, a saga of constantly reaching for the sky, no matter the odds. Now, let's soar into the future, exploring modern marvels and emerging technologies. The airline industry of today is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, shaped by a relentless pursuit of efficiency, safety, and comfort. Modern aircraft designs are a perfect blend of aesthetics and aerodynamics, optimizing fuel consumption while minimizing environmental impact. From the double-decker Airbus A380 to the Dreamliner's revolutionary wing design, these flying machines are feats of engineering that have forever changed the way we traverse the globe. But the evolution doesn't stop at the aircraft's exterior. Step inside a contemporary cabin, and you'll find a world of comfort and connectivity. In-flight entertainment systems have come a long way from the days of communal screens and shared headphone jacks. Today, passengers can enjoy a personal multimedia hub, offering a plethora of films, music, and games at their fingertips. And let's not forget about connectivity. Once a place of digital solitude, the cabin is now a hub of connectivity, with Wi-Fi services enabling passengers to stay in touch with the world below. Whether you're sending an email from 35,000 feet or streaming your favorite show, the modern flying experience keeps you connected, even in the clouds. As we navigate through the 21st century, sustainability has become a key focus. The airline industry, often criticized for its environmental footprint, is making strides towards greener skies. Biofuels, electric planes, and carbon offset programs are not just buzzwords, but tangible initiatives being implemented by airlines worldwide. In the quest for a sustainable future, airlines are investing in lighter materials, more efficient engines, and innovative designs to reduce their carbon emissions. Concepts like the blended wing-body aircraft, which promises significant fuel savings, are being explored and tested. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what revolutionary technologies and trends lie on the horizon. Will we see fully autonomous flights, or perhaps a resurgence of supersonic travel? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the sky is not the limit when it comes to the future of aviation. As we descend from our journey, let's reflect on the incredible evolution of the airline industry. We've witnessed the humble beginnings of flight, brought to life by the ingenuity of the Wright brothers. We've soared through the Golden Age of Aviation, a time when air travel was synonymous with luxury and glamour. We've broken the sound barrier, transforming the way we travel and shrinking the world in the process. We've navigated through trials and triumphs as wars, economic crises, and technological advancements shaped the industry. And we've flown into the future, exploring modern marvels and emerging technologies that continue to redefine the passenger experience. As we look ahead, the horizon is as exciting as it is limitless. The focus on sustainability is set to shape the next chapter of aviation. Biofuels, electric planes, and other green initiatives are not just concepts in a lab, but tangible realities that are beginning to take flight. But the future of the airline industry isn't just about being greener. It's also about going further and faster. Space tourism is inching closer to becoming a reality, opening up a whole new frontier for intrepid travelers. We're also witnessing the resurgence of supersonic travel, promising to reduce transatlantic flight times to mere hours. These future trends are not just mere predictions, they are the result of the relentless pursuit of innovation that has propelled the airline industry since its inception. They are the testament to the human spirit's unyielding desire to push boundaries, to explore the unknown, and to make the impossible possible. As we've seen, the sky's the limit when it comes to the evolution of the airline industry. We've journeyed through its past, marveled at its present, and glimpsed into its future. And if history is any indication, the best is yet to come. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.